These are the 1080p premium commercial grade side cameras in AHD. SKU number 60048 and the 2-pack 98172. These new side cameras were designed from the ground up with your needs in mind, made with a 1080p full color lens to ensure the best image possible. The camera housing has been slimmed down to allow more mounting options. As always, the cameras boast our incredible military grade night vision with auto dimming. This means that the darker it gets outside, the more the night vision is active. Manufactured with commercial and durability standards in mind, this camera is fully submersible in water and can work under the extreme temperatures of negative 30 degrees to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. We might use this on Venus one day. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,400 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!